Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my cooking. Today I will be showing you how to make chicken Matar Korma. The ingredients you'll be needing are 750 grams boneless chicken thigh, which I have cut into small pieces, 1 cup frozen peas, 2 medium-sized onions which I have thinly sliced, 2 small tomatoes cut into cubes, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 tablespoon crushed coriander, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, half a cup cooking oil or ghee, whatever you prefer to use, 1 cup freshly chopped coriander, and I have 4 green chillies which I have sliced in half. Add the oil to a pan and turn the flame to full. Add in the onions. Cook the onions on a full flame until they have turned into a nice golden brown. Once the onions have turned into a light goldish brown, now add in the salt, the ginger garlic paste, and give this a mix, and then add in the tomatoes with a little bit of water. Mix this all together. Then at this point turn the flame to medium and add in the spices. Turmeric powder and paprika powder, red chilli powder and crushed coriander. Give this all a stir and turn the flame back to high. I will now add in a 1/4 cup of water and put this on a medium flame to allow the tomatoes to soften. It has now been 5 minutes since I've been cooking the tomatoes on a medium flame. I will now give them a stir. I will turn the flame back to high and add in the chicken. Cook the chicken in with the mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes. Whilst you're cooking the chicken, it will let out its own water, which you need to fully dry up. I have now been cooking the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes, and as you can see, the oil has come to the surface. So I will now add in the frozen peas, and mix this all together. And I will add in 1 cup of water. And I will now wait for this to come to a bubble. It has now come to a bubble, so I will now cover with a lid and cook on a low to medium flame until the chicken is almost cooked. And in that time, the frozen peas will also get cooked. It has now been 25 minutes since I've been cooking the chicken, and I will now check it to see if the chicken is cooked. I will take a piece of chicken and break it. If it easily breaks, then that means your chicken is done. I will now turn up the flame to full and add in the garam masala. Give this all a mix, and I will now dry up the extra water. Now the water has almost dried up, and I will now add in the fresh coriander and the green chillies, leaving some behind for garnishing. Give this all a mix. I will now put this on dum, which is a very low flame, and allow it to cook for a further 5 minutes. Then your chicken Matar Korma is ready. Your chicken Matar Korma is now ready to be served. Serve with tandoori roti, naan or parantha. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do try it out and let me know how you got on. Thank you for your support. Until next time, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.